Ipsy is back in my mailbox. Hey friends, welcome back to Sparkle and Grow. Jamie Wilkinson here. I am super excited right now because I have an Ipsy bag, and I've not received Ipsy for quite a while. I used to get quite a few subscription bags, and I kind of canceled them all because I was like, way too many. So I recently subscribed to Boxy Charm as well as Ipsy again. Ipsy, I've always been kind of hit or miss with. I really liked Ipsy when it very first came out. Then I thought it was not as worth the $10 after a while once I started getting that Boxy Charm one, because I really liked the quality of the full-size products that I would get in Boxy Charm for just a little bit more. So if you want to know about my Boxy Charm subscription, or you want to check out what I got in February for Boxy Charm, I do have a video that you can watch showing Boxy Charm, but today I'm going to show you my very first Ipsy bag since I re-signed up. This one is only 10 bucks a month, so it is a little bit more affordable, but I always kind of think maybe you get what you pay for, because it also comes more just like little samples that you get. So it's nice if you just kind of want to try stuff, but you're not so interested in having like a full-size product. I will say sometimes I get a full-size product from Boxy Charm that I don't even actually ever use, but a lot of times I might just resell it on a site like Mercari, where I can get some of my money back from the subscription box. So that is an option as well. It's a lot easier to sell your items from Boxy Charm because they are full-size name brands. These have really awesome name brands in the Ipsy bag, but it will be more samples. So I'm actually really impressed with a lot of the brands that I got this time, because I felt like before when I canceled, I wasn't getting so impressed anymore with Ipsy. I actually believe I canceled Ipsy long before I finally was like done with any and all my subscription boxes. So I'm impressed that they have improved with their brands, I feel like, a little bit. So in either that or I just got a really good one. But I do notice, okay, I think that they maybe sent it to me a little bit late in the month, and I had like an oops email. Look at this. One thing I do like about Ipsy is it always comes with a really cute makeup bag. So, I mean, the makeup bag itself is like adorable. Look at this. I wore my red lips just to go with my red lip bag. Mwah. So it does come with that. I do notice though there was a little extra goodie in my bag in the bottom this month, and I believe it's because they were, oh, let's see. Oh, and then it has a card. I'll look at that in a second as well. But I think because they were late shipping it, I got an email saying that they were late shipping it. Obviously, it's the very end of the month that I'm even showing this to you. I did get it last week, but I'm just now getting around to showing it to you. So this was like an extra little bonus that I found in the bottom of the box that didn't even show up in my app as one of the products they meant to give me to review. So I'm thinking that, you know, if they do a little oops, they at least like throw a little something extra in there maybe. This is a lipstick by Bella in Argent. I don't know. I've never heard of that brand. So it wasn't like super name brand. It is a cream lipstick, but it was a very pretty color. So nice little, I don't know, reflective. I thought maybe it had a mirror, but it pretty much is a mirror by itself. But very pretty color. It's a little bit more, I don't know, maroony than the color I'm wearing. So it's very pretty. Obviously, I would maybe wear this color. I do like the brighter reds more than like the deep colors, because I start feeling a little like 90s dark with the really deep colors on my skin tone. But this is a really pretty color, and I feel like I would wear it somewhere formal. I don't know, it was pretty, I thought. So I wasn't like super overly impressed, but the bag had a lot of really cute stuff in it. So let's see the items that actually were supposed to come in my bag. Dun, 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 dun. Oh, perfume. So one thing that I noticed that was different this time that I had never gotten in my Ipsy bag before, and I was with Ipsy for about 2 years before, so this is new, is that I got a little perfume roller bottle. So scents is something possibly newer since I have unsubscribed and resubscribed. I think it's been about a year since I've gotten any of these. But this is Kenzie Life Beat scent. Let's see. It's a spray thing. It smells really pretty. I don't know, maybe. I'm gonna say I would not buy this. This isn't really my thing. It actually, I don't want to talk crap, but it kind of reminds me a little bit of like an Avon scent, which is just like flashbacks to my childhood. My mom did Avon, and there was always all these little like perfume bottles, and they were really strong. I don't know. I think it's cool that it was like, I don't know, a little thing. So maybe it was something that I would stick in my car when it calls for needing something to cover, you know, something. I don't know. We all have to do it every once in a while, okay? So it might be something cool to stick in my car because it's small, but it definitely would not be a scent that I would pick on my own. I think I just like more like light, floral, fruity smells. This smell is more like rich, I guess would be the word for it. So, I don't know, I feel like somebody might like it. It's just not maybe my scent. Oh, and I never went back to this card. Okay, so I did notice they have cards in here now, so I don't believe they had this before. So it does kind of talk about these. So Kenzie Life Beat Eau de Parfum. I don't know how to say that stuff. Trend-setting fashion brand known for its feminine and soft designs. It says soft, but I didn't find it to be soft. Is also killing it in the fragrance game. Oh, soft designs. So maybe their other stuff is soft. One whiff of the citrusy floral scent and you'll be totally addicted. So it's supposed to be citrusy and floral. I can see that, but it just has that like strong smell in it too. I don't know. We literally take it everywhere. The portable size is fab for spritzing on the go. That's what I was saying, like on the go. Maybe I would like it more. Tip, don't rub your wrists together after spritzing. This will make your scent last way longer if you don't rub your wrists. I didn't know that tip. So good little tip, even no matter what perfume you use, I guess. Let's see, I got one of these, I want to say Ciate is maybe how you say it. I've seen this brand. I love, actually the nail polish that I'm wearing is from this brand. I really like their nail polishes. This nail polish did get thick, I feel like faster than normal, but I just really like the colors. But this is a highlighter sample. And so, but I do like, see, it comes in this in the metal pan, so I can stick it in my Z palette or, you know, one of my magnetic palettes. I have this great big huge one from Adept Cosmetics that I got, which is super rad. I love taking that one places. So this will be a really nice little highlight that I can just add to my palette, and I feel like I would definitely utilize a highlight. Like, there's nothing wrong with a little highlight in anyone's life, right? So that was a cool find. The other thing that I've seen this brand in the Ipsy bags for a while now, and I really actually kind of like this brand. It's called The Balm. You've probably heard of it by now. I really like this soft purple metallic looking eyeshadow that I can use. I like how soft their stuff is. You know, some brands I like because they're bold and their colors show up bold. I actually like The Balm because of how soft and natural it feels. And this, if you actually rip this box apart, there is a metal pan in here that you can put in your magnetic palettes as well. I've gotten some of their blush samples in these little things, and I've gotten, I don't know, I think I've gotten their bronzer, but this is called Alternative Rock Volume 1 Shadow Fard, F-A-R-D, I don't know what that means, but Take It for Granite, I think is the name of it. Super pretty. I like it a lot. I will definitely use that. I like the shimmer. One thing that I was really excited about was that I got a brush. One thing I really liked about Boxy Charm is that I always get these like full-size brushes that are really beautiful and easy to use. I'm a brush addict. It's one of my favorite parts of makeup is the actual brushes to put the makeup on, maybe more so than the makeup. I love brushes, you guys. So this is a Luxie brush. It is kind of a mid-grade makeup brush. They work beautifully, maybe not as like high quality as some brushes, but I feel like they're just as high quality as like Morphe brushes or something. So you can definitely use these professionally, keep them clean, keep them hydrated, and these brushes are beautiful. I have quite a few of this brand brushes already. So this one is looks like it's kind of like a small blending or crease brush. Oh, duh. Luxie Beauty Precision Blending Eye Brush. So yes, it's like a small blending brush. Mastered the art of high quality vegan and cruelty free brushes. So these are vegan and cruelty free. I did not know that. So that's always a good bonus. So great for contours. It's tapered, perfect for adding that subtle smoky effect or definition to your eyes. Tip: to get a quick smoky eye, apply eyeshadow all over your lid, then use the brush to blend a darker shade into the outer corner of your eye and up into your crease, which is kind of what I do already. So love it, love it. I guess I didn't read about all these things, but you probably don't want me to just sit here and read on camera. That would be really boring. So one more thing that came in here, MAC. So it was kind of cool to find a MAC product. It was definitely the smallest, most sample-like product in the batch, but I guess that can be expected from MAC because, well, it's MAC. Okay, they can do what they want at this point. So let's see. It's a little like kind of plastic pop out. It is the powder foundation, I believe. Let's see. This one I might have to read. Studio Fix Powder Foundation. I got NC30. I think it's a little yellow for me, but it's definitely in the right tone family. I don't know. So even if it's a little more yellow for me, it might work well as like a banana cream or something for highlight. This matte finish powder foundation gives a full to medium coverage, goes on velvety smooth, and blends like a dream. So I'm really excited to at least try it and feel the texture. Here, let's do the whole back of the hand trick. So yeah, I mean, it definitely feels soft. I can see it. I can see how it would have some nice coverage. I do think it's too yellow for my skin, definitely, but it was cool to be able to touch it and try it. I don't know. This one I'm actually not so impressed with. It was just exciting that the word MAC showed up in my bag, I guess. But I would not say that's my favorite thing in this bag. I think that the brush and maybe the purple metallic eyeshadow are my two favorite things. And then the highlighter I really like a lot. So, but overall, I mean, it was kind of worth the $10. The bag's really cute. I'll probably get it for another couple months and see if it improves. If it's about the same, I might not stick around forever with Ipsy. I just like getting the nice big full-size products, period. You know, like I feel like if there's something in here that I don't like, there's not much I can do with it besides, you know, hand it down to my 11-year-old girls that can play with it for fun in their rooms. I don't know. So, but if you are interested in giving Ipsy a shot, it is only $10, so you're not like out a ton of money. I will put my link in the description if you are interested in giving it a shot, and I look forward to trying a few more bags with you. At least I will show up again in March and see how I feel. We'll discuss what's in there. And yeah, and then I'll also maybe link my February Boxy Charm video in case you're interested in Boxy Charm. That one I have been in love with for years, and I'm so pumped. That box was super rad for February, and I'm really excited for March because it is the Boxy Luxe box, which has an even bigger, like fancier value of stuff. So I'm really excited to show that box to you guys in March. So hope you guys have an amazing day, and I will talk to you super soon. Ta-ta!